Ever wonder why your money doesn't go as far as it used to? Or how the entire economy works? Stick around for a quick and clear guide to basic economic terms, explained in simple, everyday language. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell before you leave. I wanted to remind you that I will be posting every Monday and every Friday of every week, so stay tuned. Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube Talks. First up, we have the base rate. This is the interest rate set by the central bank, which influences all other interest rates in the economy. For example, if the base rate goes up, loans and mortgages become more expensive. Next, GDP, or gross domestic product, is the total value of all goods and services produced in a country within a specific period. Think of it as the overall health score of an economy. If GDP is growing, the economy is doing well. For example, if a country produces cars, computers, and bread, the value of all these items added together contributes to the GDP. However, we must keep in mind that the GDP leaves out non-market transactions, such as volunteer work or other non-paid activities like housework. It does not subtract environmental costs, and it doesn't measure the overall well-being and happiness of a population. It misses factors like health, education, and leisure. And GDP does not include any secondhand sales like used cars because they are only counted once when they are originally sold. Financial transactions that deal with the stocks and bonds are also left out because they do not represent the production of new goods or services. Lastly, no illegal activities such as drug trafficking are included in the GDP because they are not payments for goods or services either. A bank is a financial institution that accepts deposits, offers loans, and provides other financial services. Just imagine you deposit your money into a bank account, and then the bank lends that money to someone who needs a loan to buy a house. Banks collect deposits from those who have a surplus of funds and lend them to those who need funds, thus facilitating the flow of money within the economy. Deflation sounds like a good thing, right? Lower prices. But it's tricky because it can also signal a weak economy where people aren't spending, which causes prices to drop. So deflation is when the overall level of prices in an economy falls. While lower prices might sound good, deflation can lead to reduced spending and economic slowdown. Barter is the exchange of goods and services without using any money. For example, trading a loaf of bread for a dozen of eggs. It sounds simple enough, right? But it can become more complex. Firstly, value is subjective, and there are the double coincidence of wants, valuation difficulties, divisibility issues, and a lack of common measure. This is why most transactions now involve money instead of barter. Competition in economics refers to the rivalry among businesses to attract customers and achieve higher sales. Healthy competition drives innovation and keeps the prices fair. Thanks for joining me. This was part 1 of the economic terms that I shared with you today, and there will be 2 more parts to come. So for now, I will see you in the next video to your left. And remember, information is power.